What's up, everyone? This is Seth with the Landing Page Dudes, and I hope you are enjoying your Wednesday. Today, I am super excited to be announcing our new advertorial template that is based on Skims clothing line. If you haven't heard of Skims, they're one of the most successful shops on Shopify. It's owned by Kim Kardashian. And if you want inspiration and want to see one of the best Shopify websites out there, I highly recommend you go and check out that site. Everything from the homepage to the product page to the variants to the collection to the mobile first development, it is absolutely perfect. And that's why we use Skims as our example in this advertorial. Now, for a lot of you that don't know what an advertorial is, it's an editorial with an ad injected into it. The whole purpose behind an advertorial is that it looks like it's written by a third-party authoritative figure. The idea is you want traffic to land on this advertorial, be educated, be enticed, and be excited about your product, and then click through to your product page. Now, the most important thing about an advertorial is that it has to be disguised as a third-party editorial. The last thing you want to do is oversell, be too aggressive, and make it obvious that this whole entire article is just meant to sell the customer. Advertorials have to be carefully written. They have to be clever. They need persuasive copywriting. And if you want some good examples of advertorials, just send us an email and we'll show you some of the advertorials we've designed for over 100 different direct-to-consumer brands. Now, why use an advertorial? That's a very good question. If you're selling on Shopify, if you're selling on WooCommerce, you know that paid ads are becoming super expensive. And sending cold traffic or warm traffic to home pages and product pages, it is also becoming more difficult to convert. That's why advertorials exist. They've been around for a very long time, even before the digital age. Advertorials started around the 18th century in newspapers. They were all about the copy, and they were designed to get people to take action. Nowadays, advertorials are used by affiliate marketers, and we're just starting to see this new emerging market in the direct-to-consumer space. An advertorial is a marketing asset that every Shopify and WooCommerce store owner should have in their arsenal. Not only is it going to help you create more sales, but it's going to increase your average order value. In our experience, advertorials have not just increased conversion rates, but average order value by over 20%. And working with over 1,000 different brands in the last couple of years, I would say that the return on ad spend is somewhere between 30 to 40%. It's a great tool to have. So what you're looking at right now is the one we created for Skims. And the angle here is we want to have that BuzzFeed effect, top 5. People love to read about the top 10s, the top 5. For some reason, I do not know why this type of content works, and we could thank BuzzFeed for that. So our idea was to create an article, the top 5 surprising facts behind Skims' billion-dollar success. And as you scroll through, you'll notice everything is digestible. It's visual. If users want to jump to a section, they just have to click on it. Right now, we are selling this advertorial. It's $75, but if you order before February 1st, you'll get it for only $50. Use the coupon code DUDE2024, which is in the description, and click on the link, and you'll be able to get this at a $25 discount. This advertorial was inspired by Skims, and you'll notice on the page here, beginning from the top to the bottom, we're talking about different facts and making arguments. We're not overselling. We're educating the customers, and we have call to actions that complement that content. So for here, the average order value we wanted to aim for was 3 panties for $60. It's important when you're designing advertorials that you have that average order value in mind. You have to make it worthwhile, and you need to aim for something. As you scroll down, you'll start to see all the different facts. First, we introduce the problem that Skims is solving a personal fashion dilemma. You know that all the different brands today, they're not inclusive, but Skims is inclusive. They embrace everybody. Then we're talking about the revolutionizing comfort. Then we're leveraging their strong social media and we're showing TikTok videos of users who have bought their products. This is super effective. And if you buy this advertorial, not only will you be able to embed TikToks, you'll be able to embed Instagram videos or whatever you want. Towards the bottom, we have this product slider to show all the different products that are sold. Everything is visual, everything is beautiful, and it is on sale right now. When users click on any of the call to actions, it'll take you to the Skims product page where you're going to pick 3 panties for $60. On top of that, we're going to be giving you a mobile first design. So as you know, mobile is everything. 90% of your traffic in 2024 is going to be mobile. So we designed this advertorial to be mobile friendly. It looks absolutely beautiful, digestible, easy to read. Let me refresh the screen so we can get those TikTok videos going. Okay, I did not know that I would say that, but let's just see this one.
Wanted to wear a cute little red matching set for Valentine's Day, so she made this. And she knows that I want to be in a rom-com.
It has everything you need to convert, and we're going to help you convert. It comes with an advertorial cheat sheet. By downloading and purchasing this advertorial and using this cheat sheet and ChatGPT, in less than 1 or 2 hours, you'll be able to create a high converting advertorial. Not only do we give you all the rules, all the checklists, but we give you the prompts for each section. So all you have to do is copy and paste into ChatGPT. It'll produce the content you need. And of course, you're going to have to fix a couple things here and there. But in under a couple hours using this cheat sheet, you'll be able to produce a high converting advertorial. And that's not it. We're showing you what not to do. We're giving you a checklist, how to be objective. We're showing you the top traffic sources for advertising, and even better, ad creatives that work really, really well. A lot of you that purchase these advertorials don't really know how to utilize them. Well, for this, we're going to show you how to create ads, the ad copy, and how to do it yourself. For some of you asking, what is the platform? We're giving it in raw HTML. So when you get this advertorial, you're going to have it in HTML. It's not going to be in Shopify. It's going to be in HTML, and you're going to place it on a subdomain. A lot of you also don't know how a subdomain works, so I'm going to show you here very quickly. Imagine your website is www.shoes.com. What you're going to do is you're going to download and purchase this advertorial. You're going to change the content. You're going to make it yours. Then you're going to put it on a subdomain. That's the most standard way. And a subdomain would look like this. Any word you want, promo.shoes.com. Promo being the subdomain. Or you could put ADV for short for advertorial shoes.com. And this is the most effective and standard way. Even better, if you use Webflow, we're also going to give you the Webflow design. This is going to allow you to have a CMS to edit this advertorial. Now, if you're selling on Shopify, if you're selling on WooCommerce, this is totally worth the investment. Not only are you going to be able to edit everything, you'll also have the ability to duplicate content. Webflow is absolutely amazing. So you have the option of having both HTML and Webflow as a CMS to edit the content. It's super simple. Anything you want to do, you click text and you edit. If you want to change an image, you click on the image and you could replace the image. I want to thank you for watching this video. And again, I want to stress that that sale ends February 1st. Get it for $50 instead of $75. Use the code DUDE2024. And thank you for your time.